Hello everyone, I'm Adithya. I'm learning Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory in NTTF Trichy. After my completion of 10th, I joined NTTF and now I'm in third year of Mechatronics Engineering. So this is my short talk about vector robot. Introduction of vector robot. Vector robot is a small robot designed to interact with humans and assign a day-to-day assign a task and it can complete it. So it is a robot which we can assign task and it can complete it like Google Home, Alexa, like that. It is inbuilt with AI. Uh, Features of Vector. Vector is equipped with video, voice recognition, and facial expressions and camera, and it has capability of navigating itself. So it can avoid obstacles and it can navigate itself so easily and quickly. So it responds to our commands like set an alarm, set a timer, set an clock, like that. We can give a assignment so it can complete it easily, and it has expressions like feelings, like how we feel and how we feel the same. It has expressions, so it can express itself so that it can we can easily understand what it is and how it's what is its precisions. Application in day-to-day life of Vector. Vector is a small robot, as I told before. We can easily assist it, and it can complete a task, and it can. We use this in smart homes. So how we are using Alexa or Google to turn on a light, turn off a light, turn on a fan, like that. So we can use this as a same. So it is being built with Alexa. Working of vector robot. Vector robot is as a small display, LCD display, so it can express itself like anger or sad or crying, like that. It can express itself. So we can play with it, like we can play and we can interact. How we can interact to humans? So the same. It interacts to us. So it is operated with AI. So it behaves according to our reaction. How the input is going, the output will come as the same. How we are reacting to it, so the it reactions will come to us. For example, a dog we can take. Uh, if we are putting a biscuit to the dog, so next day it will come and it will ask, or it may be a pet. So if you are showing the anger to the dog, so the same, it comes to bite us or it barks at us. So the same. So the same they do. This is the motherboard of Vector. It is very small because the robot itself is very small. So the motherboard is very small. We use Qualcomm 200 processor to operate this vector robot. Sensors. We use plenty of sensors in this. So crash detection sensor, six-axis sensor, microphones, microphones, LCD display, and the camera. We use more sensors. So we use HD camera of 120-degree wide-angle field, so we can detect our faces and it can easily know who we are. Infrared lasers to calculate the distance and move around, so it can avoid obstacles. Touch sensor. We use touch sensor to assign some tasks. For microphones, it has noise cancellation so that voice is clearly noted by the vector. So to detect us or to how we set an alarm, so it can hear and it can give the output according to that. So as I told before, we use platform processor, so it is a very powerful processor for this robot. We use six-axis sensor to detect the crash or move around to pick up something. So it has small U-type thing, so it can move or it can go up and down. So we use the six-axis sensor. Drop sensor uh, to protect the vector, to keep vector safety. So we use drop sensors, 4 drop sensors in the every corner of it. So it will not fall easily. We use IPS displays, LCD display, so we can see the expression of it, so we can play with it or we can understand it. Types of Akaya robot: Cosmo, Vector with AI, and Emo. These are the 3 types of robot: Cosmo, Vector, and Emo. This is a small video of Vector.
We're looking into the eyes, and
So it can express itself. So it uses drop sensor to avoid the drop falling, and it can easily navigate itself. So it will not fall and it will not get broken. So there is another video of Cospo, other type of robot. So this Cosmo is a little advanced. Like it can play with us, or it can move around and it can talk to us. Like that, it is little advanced. Thank you. With this, I'll stop. I'll end my topic. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.